I've left these bolts from the door hinges in the evaporust overnight, so now I'm going to strain it off, and I'll just spray them with a bit of lubricant then to stop them from flash rusting before they go back on the car. Today I'm going to concentrate on removing the rest of the panel, so I've got the boot to remove and then a few other bits and pieces around the engine bay. That keeps them in good shape. Something is turning that shouldn't be turning, but I don't think I have any alternative then but to cut the nut. Won't be doing anything dirty today, won't bother putting on the gloves. It's the little back windscreen washer. Well, that was a worthwhile exercise just to find that surface rust there. As you can see, I've had a bit of a masking marathon. And now I'm going to drop a sheet of plastic over the whole car and cut out the bits I want to paint. I have a few bits and pieces to take off because I'm going to spray down as far as here. I'm going to leave this area alone. Take off all this wiper motor and assembly that I fixed before. It's like a greatest hits. We're getting closer to the moment of truth where I have to match this up to the plastic outside bumper. I've never actually tried masking this way before, so hopefully it'll turn out alright. The way I had this masked up before for storage outdoors, I wasn't able to get at all the old windscreen sealant, so this is an ideal opportunity to do it while the interior is protected as well. There was this rust which I found down the back here as well. There's a few bits of filler that need to be sanded down as well that were behind the doors when they were left on. I'm going to give it all a bit of a dust down now. The last thing I'm going to do before spray day is wet and dry it with this 1000 grit sandpaper. I'll leave that then overnight to dry. I'm just going to check my progress with that now using one of these cloths, and it feels really good the way it's going and not taking as much effort as I kind of remember in the past. I think it helps to be taking my time at this, and just because of doing the video and stuff, I'm kind of restopping and resetting quite often. And I think in the past when I've done any paint, I've probably been rushing. Doing these bits by hand to get the shape of the car. Same here for all these bits. And down into the engine bay as well.